Thank you very much for sharing your afternoon with me. I will keep you guys entertained, covering a few topics that you'll find very useful in your day-to-day activities based on some of the kind of cursory discussions we had with a few folks in the room of what they do, what they're building, how they go about building their products. So with that, let me just jump straight in. Qualcomm software stack is tall and complex and flexible, but I think at the end of the day, what we strive to do is we try to give you as a customer ability to extract the best power out of the system, run your models and algorithms at the lowest power possible while getting the best performance you can get to. And sometimes that means that you have to run your models in FP32 type. Sometimes that means that you can take your models all the way for the FP16. And obviously, we always tell customers that int 8, int 16, and for some models, even int 4 is a better way to go. Some of you might have attended previous sessions from NVIDIA, and they talked a lot about pruning, they talked a lot about training, and then they talked about running and launching their models on, deploying their models on devices. Well, for us, because our DNA at Qualcomm is mobile phones, running at the lowest power is of paramount importance. Because at the end of the day, how many of you guys have iPhones? Sorry about that. Android phones? OK. So if you have an iPhone, you're probably worried whether or not your battery will last you the whole day. In Android, because we try to take everything and run it at the lowest power, our batteries can last a day or two, or sometimes even more, depending on how many TikTok videos you watched or Facebook posts you make.